Why digital marketing is absolutely crucial for your business? Internet users across the world have increased massively year by year. And the latest figure in 2020, according to that figure, the number of active internet users as of October 2020 is almost at 4.66 billion people. That is insane. That's crossing the 60% mark of the total population across the world. If you are not tapping into this internet marketing business, you are missing out big time. And I believe the main reason to the sharp increase in the active internet users in the last few years is due to the high usage of smartphones, the tablets, and other smart devices around the world. Smartphones are handy and useful to carry along with people wherever they go. And think about it, how many devices are you using yourself right now? If you're like me, it is not uncommon for you to be connected to the internet using multiple devices like your smartphones, your laptop, your desktop, tablets, smart TV, etc. What it does for you is being able to be connected through multiple devices gives you the ability to access information through various platforms. Computers, tablets, mobiles. It gives you the flexibility wherever you are. At the tips of your finger, you are able to access information online. And this also means that it gives the ability for digital marketing industry to expand their online presence worldwide. And they do not even need to have physical stores present at any particular place at all. This is amazing. This is something that is not possible, say 20, 30 years ago. So with effective digital marketing, you have the ability to actually engage and connect with a target audience worldwide. This is also another thing that you were not able to do with physical brick and mortar stores. There's even this saying that if you do not have an online presence, you don't exist at all. Right? Having an online presence is absolutely critical for any business, period. Right? Especially for the present generation that is so connected to the internet. They say that there needs to be a little bit of revision to the Maslow hierarchies of needs. At the very top of the pyramid is no longer self-actualization. It's actually the need to be connected to Wi-Fi. People nowadays are used to finding information at the tips of your finger about certain business online. Even before they make a purchase decision, they're gonna check out your prices, they're gonna check out your reviews about your products and your services before they actually make the purchasing decision. This has changed the game for a lot of businesses. If you are solely competing on price alone for your business, you are not going to be very profitable in the long run because you have to keep on dropping prices. Consumers nowadays, they are smarter than ever. At a few clicks, they'll be able to find out how much your competitors are offering for the same products. So my friend, do not sell a commodity if you want to be very successful in your business. You want to build a brand. You want to build a brand, and the way that you build a brand is by establishing trust and relationship with your target audience. So without a website or information online about your business, you can only take your business so far. Having a website, it gives you the ability to present complete details about your business, about your brand, your products and services. And it gives your clients and consumers more information about your business and its function. Without an online presence, it is hard for you to reach out to more people and to create the awareness about your products and your brand name. Hence, you lose the ability to scale your business to the next level. Just think about all these losses if you are not connected online. The other thing about digital marketing is this reliable customers feedback aspect of it. Another benefit which will directly impact your business bottom line is the real-time and reliable customer feedback and reviews. With the traditional method, it will probably take a huge amount of money for you to get us feedback and surveys from your consumers. It will take a long time, it will take months. But with digital marketing, you are able to get real-time reviews and immediate feedback on your products and services. People will tell you what they think about you. They'll tell you what is at the top of your mind. You don't have to ask them. If they are dissatisfied with your service, they will tell you about it. If they don't like your products, if you are not doing a good job with your customer service, they are going to make sure you know about it if you actually are connected to them online. So with this digital marketing pattern and online feedback input, business owners do not actually need to spend excessively on surveys and customers' feedback anymore. That is a good news. You can get unbiased information about your products and your services through internet marketing and ultimately win your customers' trust. Trust is key in doing business. Think of listening to your customers' feedback as a way for you to constantly feel the pulse of your target needs and your audience. With satisfied customers and their real-time feedback, you can actually reach out to other potential set of customers as well. So feedback is so important in telling you how well you are doing with your products and services and whether you are heading in the right direction or not. So this helps to make your brand reputation go viral, further opening new doors of opportunities for reaching bigger market and attain greater business growth. So you can think about having online presence as your ability to clone yourselves many times over. Now think about it. Who is the hardest working employee who knows everything about your business, the in and the out of it? Let me give you a few seconds to think about it. Who is the hardest working employee in your company right now? Well, if you say that is your cashier, I'm going to smack your head. Of course, it's none of your employee. The best person and the most hardworking employee in your company who knows everything about your business in and out, who has the best interest for your company is, are you ready for it? You. Right? With technology and your online presence, you can actually become a relentless marketer, the salesperson, shopkeeper, cashier, public relation, and customer service reps 24/7 around the clock. You can become all that by cloning yourself digitally. By having an online presence and these digital marketing platform strategies, you can multiply yourselves many times over. Just imagine, when a consumer visits a shop directly, when they want to purchase and inquire about any products in the shops, the shopkeeper will typically explain to them thoroughly the features and the benefits that they're going to get through the products. But when it comes to online platform, the content that you put up online will actually be your representative. Okay, that is your shopkeeper right there. And if you do it right, you can be the best marketer, you can be the best salesperson that represents your brand. And you do not need to worry about sick leave, ask for a raise or bonuses or anything like that, because everything is done digitally. You are your most hardworking employee. Your content will be your best representative on the behalf of your business. The content will bring you more customer, visitors, and business all around the clock 24/7. When you produce unique content on your webpage, this is what your content will do for you. The content will start speaking about your products, about your brands, about your companies. And you only need to create it one time, and it's going to work hard for you again and again. With social media platforms, you also have the ability to use the various social media marketing tools available on various social media platforms. This is one of the most effective methods that I can think of in digital marketing strategies. Because with social media marketing tools, and there are so many of them available right now, you can go to social media platforms such as Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google+, YouTube, Instagram. The choices are endless. Okay, there are more and more being added in the market right now. You have so many effective tools that you can use to reach people all around the world with just a few seconds of your time. With these platforms, you are able to map out your customer's journey, from being a stranger to becoming a lead. And if the prospect is interested, you may offer more specific and related information specific to their needs, and you can connect and contact them to turn them into leads and eventually buyers. That is amazing. That's powerful. So social media platforms will allow you to do just that. From people who are total cold traffic, you build relationship with them, you warm up the market, to the end that they become a hot market who is hungry for every products and services that you have to offer. With mobile marketing, you'll be able to target both active internet users audience as well as the non-active internet users on their mobile phones. And the difference between the active and the inactive users, the non-active users are not connected with data or internet on their phones. That's it, as simple as that is. There are multiple of options to still reach the non-active internet users. You can do so by sending text messages, voice message, or you can even call them directly on their phones to talk about the features and services of your product. For active internet users, on the other hand, there are of course tools such as email marketing, which is one of the oldest marketing methods and one of the most effective ways to send individual newsletter and reach out to your subscribers. You can send them related information about your brand, your businesses, or simply just send them content to add value and just build relationships over time. You may choose to reach them as well through social media accounts as well, like what we've talked about earlier. Since the current era is turning more and more digital, people do have access over their gadgets any time of the day. This is good news for business owners such as yourself, as you are able to break free from the time zone and location restrictions and ultimately reach a larger portion of consumers all around the world. The world is your oysters. It is basically limitless. The sky is a limit. You can reach as many number of people as your budget allows you to. This will in turn lead to a win-win solution within you as the business owner and the consumer. You will get a higher conversion for your business using the digital marketing strategies, while the consumers will get what they are looking for at their convenience. Hey, if you like this video, I put together a special report on the 5-step system how you can actually build your passive income business through creating information products. Do check it out in the link provided in the description below. Are you actually using digital marketing for your business right now? If you have not, what is actually stopping you? Let me know in the comment down below. I do try to reply every single comment, and I look forward to seeing you again in our next video. If you have not liked or subscribe this video, please do so. It does help with the algorithm, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Take care.